Hello everyone, my name is Malay and this is the first episode of building a basic 2D flight game in Unity. Click on this drop down button on scenes and rename this sample scene into game. Now we will click in the hierarchy menu. We will click on main camera and set the size to 7.5. You see in the environment tab we will see background type and background. So the background type should be solid color and the background should be black or any other color you want to choose. Now in the hierarchy menu we will right click. Now in the hierarchy menu, we will right click and select 2D object, sprites, and then a hexagonal, a flat top. Rename this object to obstacle. And then change the color to anything you want. I will choose orange. Now we will add borders for the game. Right click and create another 2D object, sprites, and then a square. Rename the square to border underscore top. Now, as you can see, we will select the this border top and use the rect tool. By using this tool, we can change the size and shape of this tool of this object. Then select the scale tool to change the size of the object. Now move the object move the border into place so that it covers a part of the camera. Don't mind the extra parts sticking out because those won't be necessary. We will now duplicate this and rename this object to border underscore bottom. And move this now we will move this object to the bottom of the screen. Now we will duplicate this object and rename it to a border underscore left. Now we will use the rotate tool to rotate this. And then we will place it on the left side of the screen. Copy this again and create and name it border underscore right. drag it to the right side of the screen and make sure it's properly aligned. Now we will create a new file. Create empty. Name this file borders. Select all the borders, all the borders from border top to border right, and place it inside borders game object. As all the borders are now placed inside. Now we will need to clean up these assets. We will first select all the unwanted things and put them inside the settings. Now in the project menu, we will create a new file under assets. Click on assets and then click on create folder. We will name this folder prefabs. So and then we will drag object to this prefab. Now obstacles is inside prefab and we can place it anywhere on the screen as many times as we want. Now we will create a new game object in under hierarchy and name it obstacles. Select all your obstacles and put them under obstacles. So we have now created a prefab. So a prefab means that any change to this parent object will change all the objects on the screen. So if I change this obstacle, all these obstacles will also change. So now we will click on obstacles and then go all the way down to add component. We will add a component named widget body 2D. We will add another component known as Polygon Collider 2D to obstacles. So we will select all the borders from border top to border right and add a component known as Box Collider 2D. Now when we press play, we will see what happens. You will see all these objects just fall down to the ground. Now we will fix that. So now we will press on assets, then under create we'll go to 2D and then press physics material 2D. We will now rename this physics material 2D to phys mat underscore bouncy and set the bounciness to 1 and set the bounciness to 1. Now we will add this to our obstacle to our obstacles under prefab. You will see under rigid body it says material. This is the material, Fizzmat underscore bouncy. We will drag it over here. So whenever we press play, all these obstacles will fall down and bounce off the walls. As you can see, all these objects are bouncing off the walls. Hope you enjoyed my video, and in the next episode, we will learn how to code the player. Please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.